In today's video, I'm going to go through some kinematic relationships and integration properties. Let's go ahead and start with our first kinematic relation, because we are given acceleration, so that's a good starting point. So we know that acceleration is the derivative of velocity in terms of time. My acceleration here, this acceleration is not a function of time. This acceleration is a function of position. S is some distance, okay? C is a constant. So this acceleration, it's really an acceleration in terms of position. So I can't bring my dt over because it's not a shared, it's not like values, okay? When I say separate variables, the two don't match. S and t do not go together. So I have to multiply the top and the bottom by ds. So I'm introducing that variable that I want, okay? So we are given acceleration. We want to find velocity and position. That means that I'm going to have to use two relations. So right away, I want you to put on your paper, the relations I'm using is acceleration and velocity. Okay, so why don't we start with our acceleration? Our acceleration is a function of time, so I don't need to manipulate the equation by multiplying the top and the bottom by anything. So I'm just going to say that a, which is negative 1.8 sine kt, is equal to dv dt. My second step is to group like variables. So I have negative 1.8 sine kt dt is equal to dv. Now my third step is going to be to integrate both sides. So this is good. How do we relate acceleration, velocity, and time? By our first kinematic relation. A equals the derivative of velocity in terms of time. So my acceleration is given to me as negative 0.004 v squared. And here I can say, okay, my acceleration is in terms of velocity. So I want to get my both v's on the same side. So I'm just going to take dt over and I'm going to divide by my velocity. I can also leave, just for convenience, I could leave the 0.004 negative on this side, and I can divide by v squared dv, and now I'm ready to integrate. I think that's a pretty good review. I hope this helps. If you have questions, leave a comment below. If not, I will see you in my next video.